Burna Boy, there are things that played out in his favor. Yes, Nigerian has the music market, but the man J sa Grammy we no politics kakra bi wom, because twice as tour album no ye chair executive producer was so people who have plugs in the global music scene. More links, or more label, more very powerful. So don't downplay our people, because yes, Stonebwoy, they like them near their day. They have equally good materials, but they don't have the plugs. So don't let's downplay. Man, yes, a Grammy is the only standard that they measure the artists, because there are some Grammy winners or more Chelsea artists here. Morgan Heritage. Morgan Heritage is a Grammy winner. And so he has seen what Shatta Wale is doing and he's chasing Shatta Wale. Go to Shatta Wale's DM and see what Grammy winner Morgan Heritage debut Shatta Wale poster say. Don't make Grammy the standard, but fine. If we can collectively make sure say that is fine. But don't make, because the real measure of achievement as an artist is a legacy and the impact over a generation. The Nigerians equally have trash songs. Any Nigerian what extra old songs are you doing? But you guys hail them. You guys who criticize artists somewhere in funny, you guys hail Naamali and Nigeria for patapa. And Nigeria for Potapani, what? But you guys held that Mumania demigod were Hanum. My friend, please, cut me some slack. I will say for a pie. You're welcome to Pamuka Show. Simakacho said, a higher violence headquarters. Violence, we are in for the violence. Beef a pie. I ready ya. You must way. Stonebwoy is a meaning as I call Muhubi on the for na beef way. We if you father and some beef. I know ye she. Neko Faba no, send ye tino. Grammy who says me a nano. Grammy ya, a jam musician, the OG Albertina Bomu to Okum, say what do. Nano your Hana. You say Yankas African giant, Burna Boy, Apako G Grammy. I mean, world's most acclaimed award scheme. Grammy so. Burna Boy, Apako Swa Ama Nigeria. Whiskey so Aswama Bina Oshema. Burna Boy, AJ Grammy for the best global album. And I Whiskey so AJ for the best video with Beyonce, which is Momo video, brown skin girl. Now when I confirm Sembe Bray Ghana focus say, hey, Ghana that pain. A dear quantity in Nigerians for any year Grammy the intimate GB. Now, when I shaman for views, na Stonebwoy, or no, among 40 pennies, Ghana had there's a possibility, say, Stonebwoy bet me the Grammy about Ghana, or true assembly and our cost pack a whole controversy. Now, we say for young consent look at crap. Stonebwoy, it is a Burna Boy. Awe no asema okotro to ho akotwetwe nsem bebre abai ena me no ba bechebi a hwe screen so a eno na da hoyi Stonebwoy tro say yemfa aseda nyina ene ni de nyina ma Nigeria for, because Nigeria for the oma bie gap kra wonwumtum adenti na de bia Nigeria for na omo na tie ni mo Africa ha na Ghana de ompesa obeka ho asem kra. Now, same way now, Stonebwoy Koka will if you dear friend Twitter on my Twitter, so or Koka said Nigeria for coming baby, Nagana dear, no can't ask them no. One him says Stonebwoy so Samin dear, one same bishi or Monwaja, Samin him person Becca, him says Samin in a titi Stonebwoy, the music career near the other. Now, Samin so Coco Tra, Sembi, Emma, Aquacos Pake Fire Pa, near really Samini dear. Samini Tra said. Who Stonebwoy na wo kasa asengwe na wo come from Nigeria for no o dwen sen ka Nigeria for no omugu omumpanyimfo animtia te se de wo Stonebwoy omumi na anka ombedu ba bi omadwi asema Samini ka che Stonebwoy no ho se wo Stonebwoy a wo kasa Ghana de no sen ka Nigeria for egu omumpanyimfo animtia te se de wo omumi na ka dwen se Burna Boy no obedu ho we na akotwetwe nsem bebre aba se Samini yasen shishobo. Fiti be 1 year mune woni Stonebwoy ti ado ahoma so nya easy. Asembe na wo Samini. Assemble pan is here. Boy, no, why are they? I'm paying him, say boy, no, what it no. And I don't quite admit me, Stone Boy Tisuka because we are called many platforms. I him say Stone Boy, the respect in the diamond. But I say assembly, as she says, a minimum, as a mini cancel. Now, San Comoki or Twitter. Stone Boy Saber replies a mini, Eka Sembi. Now, moment as a kind. Or say, Stone Boy catches a mini say, Media me disrespect you. Now, cry, same way I was all canon. Only me. I don't know about me because as a nature me out the two social media. Now, me social media, they always a mini. Me no winning. Brave him because I am now can cheer me. And no can or Twitter, yet the Baba to your body is one, and also go fast send for buy. And as a mini because say, what's me could stage so friend me pay more sell out. Penima man, I'm tell about industry women. And now I'm on focus. Samini. I say me huniti huniton hunenwa. I say assembly war because besine obian him the Stone Boy there Samini de biase na say why better o can o team call live no a video me say as I say sound clash ho niam bi omkoye na Samini feel say Shatawale ni Stone Boy parent bi omoye wasan ko no ne Shatta na ekọ enti wasan ka Stone Boy hu san nyansa ne say we asonofo mienu ntokwa e na okọje san ntokwa ne koin na de adem e no wo ho. But what do you really think say Samini at sembe pa ne wo ho potia ase de bia na say you say Stone Boy ne Samini asembe na wo potia Samini mpese obeka ene ya me ho Twitter. So obi eka ni say me on Twitter so obi ebusa ni say adenti na nsema ehihye obo no onka ema ho nto Samini ensema ehihye obo no onka because say na man for ya tete say mate say show bi anase deal bi buyer ebesi Stone Boy na so a na a far reggae dancer for one yes say me there is a lejo yes say Stone Boy eka che omo say Samini de omo de ne ka ho a ebete vibe no because say onjina na so say first ni bi Sunday nam street no we friend words on the street say deals be aba na we say Samini ka ho a Stone Boy some boy suggesting no one suggested Samini and ka ho because of listen Samini onjina so to say first ni ti ebete deal no energy no so near there you say asem no ho a Samini mu a sa na mon focal amon so say Stone Boy e bia se de Samini agrumi no amana platform amana be obi no aseda bia so Stone Boy de man say Stone Boy yi na ni pra ne ade amon so dwen say Samini ani bre boy no kwan bi so because one na nwene ho say akola na ono tete no ne tabasi ne betimi about tekino na ye de picture bi ebeto so tama Stone Boy hu Samini foforo na amanfo fresh handshake no the handshake of destiny change obviously say handshake no change destiny ma Stone Boy je Samini enu monyama waba bedru Samri. I mean this is just on the lighter note but you know social media ye gasa etebusa for san nyoma we enene ye busa se odwin se Stone Boy aye Samini bibi se on person be patcho na Samini ani na brave boy no Samini brave Stone Boy na because nyoma Samini ye no besi na on man enti ase se Stone Boy say ni say na o de ayemi what you say but Stone Boy so ko keka nsem bia ama ebia no so ahye Samini abufo o kai a Stone Boy ye interview bo se Jamaica hono baby o kasa no ne Samini asem o kaka say wo kra wo Samini no etro bia nyomebu amanfo hu se wo ye mame wonam de mi dru hane ade no enti san so me ma ho animunyam o say I even give you props when you don't even deserve it inti no crass packing nyoma bebre omo sem no che say nyoma bebre amanfo so ka say and wo Stone Boy sa o out of ungratefulness and no na kama and so tua wo ka Kelvin Boy so ye o sa because adia wo di yes Samini bia no remember yet it's a process Samini ni Stone Boy break away from high grade music no na and that from cry You say a choir Stonebwoy fast so free high grade family no. And yesterday a man who got me no montamunjo about the Stonebwoy's exit from me because me tete words on the street say do baby na omo person me bibia official na Stonebwoy who say Samini or did Samini achieve document bianca ho or the ne so what was his security as a high grade family signing to do baby na man for so catch Samini say boy they all sign na among for strategy is all sign of whatever the sign on honey they know the words on the street what I say can't wash because words on the street I say hey that's a ministry so best sign Stonebwoy officially because boy this speed now not the ban sounds like Kevin Boy so Kevin Boy so the beam on also ja the boy Kevin Boy so a yi project be no shipa they call Stonebwoy nim say o pesca be Stonebwoy so masa for project ne to nchen on so say project here fire nti edu be like Kevin Boy so ni team between say ebia efo susuro say unya beba be pipe no kakra nchi no nti wo hwa Stonebwoy ne Kevin Boy je aduma Kevin Boy be say most of the videos am hu nyina no net bottom sky dey etia enti Grammy won say seminar akofa we nyina ba say Stonebwoy ene Samini odin say e fa sema Samini kan no say omo respect omo elders and Kenya so omaji Grammy so omo respect that na Grammy ne so bu elders no e fa ho ben me pese me hu Samini it's American folk is Samini wo problem pa ne se ka na say am ati say wo say who ba be pie keys am ho to once and for all Samini pie keys no na abrel because who said baby I would know you shouldn't give room for certain people disrespect you and then me call Twitter you throw Lazy Olu saying Samini you are the first Ghanaian on my international bragging rights. You are arguably the best live band performer in Ghana's history, if not one of the best. I mean, you have achieved a lot for yourself. What the Yakumobo, what the Yakubaby. And you know, it looks as if you are putting yourself in a position that makes you look like that's when you break Stonebwoy be. Me so me person me jedi. Enti adia Stonebwoy there because Stonebwoy the media na projecting as a very humble boy near the day. But e bia inside story bi wa wona nim because wona atete no Samini mayehu na man for mo say udin no almost speaking on legacy because it has given room for some being native to disrespect you and disrespect your legacy because you are putting yourself in a position where it makes it look like as a jealous boy no mayehu dey wom because as some words on the streets they say when the brave boy no shine until who complain because one down there say boy no be do ho other school of thought to believe we say Stonebwoy has sell out to quite be so I show more as one team in person yes minimum so pay be mathematics but this time speak up and settle this once and for all. What has Stonebwoy done to you senior Samini because you are a legend and at times in social media na say me who see the boys near here watch him a hitipa I can't pray Indomie generation where mama to legacy. It's because Samini because it looks like you are putting yourself up for disrespect by these being native and why feel mobile. Speak up once and for all and then reclaim your name. Let people know what Stonebwoy has done to you so that they can better know what they are talking about because who didn't say now Stonebwoy is so yes say sebi opanyansa for the ka wase ka hu se the oka wonsem no matter the toes Samini has stepped on because you owe some form of a yibi I know say yes you have to speak up at times you have to be very circumspect about it now to me call biggest platform so called kase ono kran you remember ha props and I say ana go on deserve so now the manner how do you expect the person to take it it's therefore I don't know what is happening, but it's very disturbing. Say Stonebwoy now a common enemy among all the big names we have in the industry. Now Stonebwoy has ruined his relationship with Sarkodie. Stonebwoy has, in a way, as a lately on Shatawale Apache. Now Samini, you and Samini are not in good terms. You and Sarkodie are not in good terms. The Apono are not in good terms. So Stonebwoy, I'm tempted to believe there is some form of toxic behavior about you. You are maybe the pivoter, and that's why you're center of some of this controversy. But Samini, so we want you to speak up. Because these are some of the things that can't be crying. Because anytime you Google about Ghana, it's one person on each other's neck or the other. Grammy na YNGB na moka ho asem no. It's not about say before say Burna Boy, you see, I want to correct this about Ghanaians. Say and Ghana na before na beef na that. No, you see, Nigerians are really plugging. Bronica be plugging. They make sure their systems are associated with the right systems. So comfort zone. They also have an industry where they have investors, so they are advantage or more advantage seeing. Almost like population so they are exposed to digital streaming and how to reach out to the world. And I said, it's country are 8 times 7 Ghana part times 7. There's a possibility to say, would pay me the one track right? I am millionaire. Are you getting it? So let's understand the dynamics and let's stop underrating our people, because Ghanaians are equally doing very good materials, music material, just like the Nigerians. But their approach to business. I mean, Burna Boy, let's young kind of quick. Burna Boy, there are things that played out in his favor. Yes, Nigerian has the music market. But their money, Sir Grammy Weno. Politics kakrabi wom, because twice as tour album no ye chair executive producer was so producer who dey omo investing in twice as tour album now. People who have plugs in the global music scene, omo links, omo label, omo very powerful. So don't downplay our people, because yes, Stone Boys, they like them near their day. They have equally good materials, but they don't have the plugs. Grammy for our academy. Go and see how many Nigerians are there. Charterhouse, reps, some boss are 7 on the board. So they push their people. So don't let's downplay. Man, yes, Grammy is the only standard that they measure the artists, because there are some Grammy winners or Muchesi artists here. Morgan Heritage. Morgan Heritage is a Grammy winner. And so he has seen what Shatta Wale is doing and he's chasing Shatta Wale. Go to Shatta Wale's DM and see what Grammy winner Morgan Heritage debut Shatta Wale poster say. Don't make Grammy the standard, but fine. If we can collectively make sure say that is fine. But don't make, because the real measure of achievement as an artist is a legacy and the impact over a generation. It's only prestige yourself who be knowing your awards be the SEC. But look, even Grammy has problems. Lewin, a whole Lewin, 80 Grammy at him, a whole Lewin. Now say I'll say F Grammy. Now it's a Grammy now. They are standard that I'm a musician. Be who say Ghana for just say your musician's name motel because of Monte Grammy. My friend, please, cut me some slack. Are you getting it? Let's see. Let's invite structures. Let those who call themselves creative art, whatever, industry players, and put in the right structures. They unplug it. Let's see. Investment at Davido Money a Yumuo. Burna Boy more. You think if Stone Boy more start plugs now? You know where our boys would have gone. Remember, Fuso DJ has worked on an Grammy award-winning project. And Fuso DJ, a Grammy certificate. Stonebwoy has worked on a Grammy award-winning project. Stonebwoy was close to Grammy. Our own Rocky Dawouni was a Grammy nominee. It's a Grammy na. So why are you not talking about Rocky Dawouni too? Rocky Dawouni did be on Ghanaian. It is far from what you are thinking. Rocky Dawouni only plugs or see where he was coming from. He was connected to the right plugs. So it's not about the material. So we can say Ghana for the Nigerians equally have trust songs. Any Nigerian what extra old songs are you doing? But you guys hail them. You guys who criticize you guys hail Namai and Nigeria for Patapa. And Nigeria for Patapa. What? But you guys hail that Mumania demigod Wahanum, and you come back and speak trash about own people. Look at stuff as Stonebwoy, collaborations as Stonebwoy, Ojin Senko War, Universal Record Label, and I say you push Libya. Twice at all. Go and see what went into Twice at all. Reigning Grammys. Go and see. Omo mo touch it. O ka say talent ne nkwa na say project ne nkwa na ama say the project is good enough. It's so good enough say it will win Grammy on. Do you know what goes into winning Grammy as particularly an African and on top an enviable category as best global album? Kelly, our people are forcing Shatawale ha or yeah pepun videos or China Yinenso Beyonce who said Oba Africa ha he wants a touch of influence. It's Shatawale now on you know on no corner honor. It is not about that, it moves beyond that. Now say how we are jubilating Ghanaian Bakoso or several Grammy Balls. Is it Jews or something? The whole of Ghana was celebrating because for the first time we've had Ghanaian on the Grammy board. We need the proper systems because the materials are here. How about more events? Need industry players and my own gatekeepers also. Do be a piano. And your names we are Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Shatawale. A brother Brian who said those people who are Grammy materials come near more platform to say yes no. So be a Sarkodie Nedaso. So be a Stonebwoy Nedaso. So be a Shatawale Nedaso. Stone be anywhere obi baha aba baby na say ope material be fitting na say foreign project e be my exposure the same old names I want say yes Akode anyom I want say Stonebwoy anyom I want say Shata anyom so te say nanu bisakede se nya bisakede ankasa na ne plus na odi no konya international feature bi ko hihye money ade and Kasa project name Ghana ha, you would have suggested the same three names: Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Shobia, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Shatawale. We have not groomed artists who are equally good at maybe I'm crying a bear Grammy material. How do you know if Rihanna? How do you know if Rihanna can give us Grammy? How do you know? Rihanna. How many times does it become talk about in the media? Rihanna. How many times? How many times do we pull new stars along who are equally talented? Promote a beer, Jane said, Shatawale, Sarkodie, Emfa. Stop talking about morals and if the system is working, morals does not come in. Who qualifies to win Grammy? Morals does not come in. Oshisin Burna Boy. Burna Boy is one of the chronic smokers in Nigeria. Chronic smoker. Burna Boy, Obo Tampe, Obo marijuana, Obo cannabis. I won't say yes or shit. If I home I say, and Shatawale, Oti had no dream. What has music got to do with morals? Open to question Burna Boy. Burna Boy exchanged blows with Davido live inside the club. You think Grammy is about morals? Let's learn the business orientation of Nigerians. Let's learn about the business orientation, the business approach to Nigerians. Seriousness, omudi ro omunyumu mekai Zaino Fumbaye, Muhu said, you are not really putting the work because you have the materials, but the plug-in system nini hentino. Look. Zaino Funde, Ghana, the eldest artist for no call Nigeria song compare for me. Go and see how poor the feedback is. Go and see how poor the feedback was. Nigeria for none of them were dancing to any of our musicians' performances. That is how come it should have been a wake-up call to you people. Say there is a lot more to do. Invade them. Go to Nigeria, invade them. And props to Jackie. I have seen Jackie really putting in work. Shout out to her management. Munraho be. Tell them how it done. Show them how it is done. Munraho na mu promoting mu nienji muntumbi. Working in the moye, but plugging. Working in the moye, but plugging. Get the right plugs. And send me a higher car. Now, Mama Yeyi and your maybe tackle the issue. No say we equally have good materials just as like Nigerians, but they have population-based advantage. They have numerical advantage. They are more exposed to the digital system, but their business orientation. Go to Charterhouse, Sound City, Hades. Go and see the investment they make in Hedis. Never heard VGMA, the Omoyemaye. Who call now share Nigeria for no more young music awards. Chatter House call now. Go and see the investment that is in there. Go and see the investment that is in there. So yes, we can partly blame some of the missions, but don't go in the middle we are because we are supposed to be fighting for you because one can say Ghana there. Stoneboy okay tell me say Ghana there you na man for kase and amun nyanyumpa and aye putu and aye poto and aye sampanana putu and aman for church, but we believe that it's far from the material because they equally have trust song. Look, Nipa, Burna Boy is celebrating. No. Yes, we have to celebrate because it's a big win for him. But when you are someone's achievement should inspire you, but not make you feel less of yourself. That is why I would love Shatta Wale for this. Burna Boy take Grammy today. Burna Boy, it's only Grammy be stick to today. Next, Burna, why should someone you run your race according to someone's pace? Why? Burna Boy na mokan Grammy superstar na mokan mameka Shatta Wale the man the biggest exposure of Ghana Kubusa TC Street him. And that alone should be a bragging right to Shatta Wale. Grammy BNY a chance I don't know. Grammy BNY a chance that Beyonce has secure royalties in music for life. Abba Africa Anua Bay project. The project could be life-changing opportunity for you. Don't let us use Grammy as a yardstick to measure the performance of our creative people. We are putting in the work. We are putting in the work. That's your Kumerican boys, Kumerica boys. You are talking to her. You are talking to her. It's making waves. It's making history. Kumerica for her and making history. Material Benny and Farmer. Material Benny and Farmer. Build the old baby out, but there's a general agenda. But I tell one thing I have Ghana. Fan based system. Anything that comes to Ghana, that's the musician no glory no. It's a win for that fan base, not a win for Ghana. It is a nomination. Our baby nurse was saying in support to her. All the other nations that have beef with him don't want to associate with the glory. A could this Stoneboy said that being forces say, a could where say. Na Amalia mo so ne so ha mo ebi creative na Amalia twampa onim na Amalia ba foforo asoponyomi a afi risk se me Amalia Davido me Malian Burna Boy so a Malian Tennis or a Malian everyone is a Malian because the agenda is Niger not for Karilas. It's not a fan base not for Karilas. The agenda is Niger not the Karilas. Nigeria should not lose to any battle. The unity. There is a general agenda in Nigeria. Whatever it is, or no what problem. If it is Nigeria against any other country, Nigeria comes first. There is no shinning against a painful because share baby. I say, now say it me among industry player be said, yen sabotaging musician way because of ne attitude. Now yen project way we want to make our own heroes. What if the person deserves it? Oh, anything now. System need me musicians now more break it through now. No more mafia, among mafia industry no. You see? Yes. Among for doing say be a Shatta Wale seminar or can or yes selfish or come on. But even if he is saying for himself, I share the general good in whatever he says, even if it's a self-centered statement, no make it. Because you are getting in such a way, say, you're tuning your musicians, not being who says, so why through her. That is why some of you musicians are paying for certain awards, because you want to measure the impact. More the awards in the camp in terms of when you be a worthless as a musician. Let's move beyond just awards, and then let's come to terms with the fact that said the most boastful achievement. They say after music, what do you have to show? After music, were you able to secure a life? Go and see award-winning musicians, BET winners, Grammy winners. MTV winners, Sound City winners who are living miserable lives and are now bowing their heads in shame when they see their peers they started with, because they were so much involved with awards than securing their life and then living and then their intellectual property, which was the music, no amount and secure and free. And this, if this is the mindset that we are going to go with, say Ghana for a day, Nigeria for be try and poor. When they have many advantages, they try to catch up. Our industry is growing. Our boys are trying. We are bagging deals. Nigeria, for how long did it take us to be so? Why don't we use Rocky Dawuni to also say before even some of these Nigerians got nominated, there has been a Rocky Dawuni. I will say for Pamuka show and I will say Asida Radio. I am a YouTuber because I have something na honey Baba Church. Now, in your time, we want to tell Ghanaians and the entertainment industry and music say structures are more important. Securing your intellectual property and craft is more important than trying to use Grammy. Sound better being poor. Asida Radio no asugusue. Asida Radio ko YouTube na ko subscribe. Asida Radio. Ye dey sembe bremo. Asida Radio. So today I have two issues. It's about time Samini let the cat out of the bag or put himself in a position where this Indomie generation will disrespect him and no one will say something for him because he put himself in that position. And two, if indeed words on the street is being confirmed or authenticated that Stonebwoy actually did what he did, then Stonebwoy was projected or forced to us, the media, forced Stonebwoy as that good boy. Indeed, if it's proven that Stonebwoy has done some of these things, then Stonebwoy is a hypocrite. Yabani aba yusroti ye podi Pamuka show koswaneti. Pamuka.